Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure Python and VS Code are installed and on path. This avoids environment confusion. Once done, open your project folder and create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv so dependencies stay isolated. Then install the Python extension and pylons for fast IntelliSense. Make sure to select the venv interpreter from the status bar. This gives you correct auto-completion, type checking, and the proper environment to run and install packages without breaking global Python. Next, configure VS Code so it understands your project. You should select the venv interpreter and set Python, default interpreter path in settings. JSON so the editor sticks to it. Install development tools inside the venv, pip install Blackflake 8 Pytest, and enable them under Python linting and formatter settings to enforce style and catch errors early. Finally, add a launch. JSON debug configuration, specify program, args, and console type. This lets you run breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through code reliably. To finish, run your app through run and debug, set breakpoints, and use the variables and call stack panels to inspect state. Once tests exist, enable the testing sidebar and run Pytest. Make sure your tests use the same interpreter so imports resolve. Commit. venv2, git ignore and keep requirements. TXT updated. If something breaks, first verify the selected interpreter and that the terminal activates the venv. Then disable extensions one at a time to find conflicts. This single troubleshooting step solves most environment problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.